What's going on, guys? We got a few cars to wash today at the shop. We're getting them done. We got Gerald in the back behind me. We got this blue Mustang in the wash bay over here right now. We got the Range Rover over here. The GMC Yukon is over here. And we got this black F-150 we're about to get washed up. So just tune in and see us get this thing done. So it's always important to wash the cars before you get them into the bay because you want to get all the contaminants off the paint so you're able to just get the full buff on there. You want to just get all the contaminants off before you get it in the bay just so you don't get anything in the buffer, so you get the cleanest paint correction possible. You want to be sure that you don't swirl the paint whenever you are washing it, just going back and forth.
Hey guys, it's Gerald from Upscale Detailing. It's around 8 o'clock in the morning. We wash them earlier because it gets hot. And when you do that, the paint's like butter. So we take the mitts and we go really light. We don't push any pressure onto the car. And what early in the morning helps is it doesn't heat the paint up. So it's not scratching, swirling, marring the car up. And it also helps with water spots.
Working on this Yukon Denali XL, super intense multi-step paint correction going down on this one. Kind of a cool backstory on the car is that this damage was actually caused by a moose rubbing on the hood and on some of the panels, and what it did was create crazy scratches and swirl marks. You can see on the hood right now that we've got half of it done and half of it remains as it was when it came in. You can really see the deep scratches and how they turn into just total glass over here. So we're really excited to see how this one comes out for the customer. I think it's going to exceed their expectations.
What are you doing? Get over there. This is my side. What are you doing over here? What are you talking about? What are you doing? What are you doing?
The reason me and Noah work so good together is because we're just around the same age. We're two goofballs. We like doing what we do, you know what I mean? This is our life. We do this for a living. Like, that's just what we do.
Gerald's so good with the ladies. You should see the way he smooth talks them. Man, whoop, lips of a devil.
Hey guys, what's up? This is Matt. It's what is it? Wednesday morning. We got Gerald here, we got Noah here, trying to work together. Actually, they work great together. They're I would say not close in age, but you know, they're youngsters, unlike me. But they do well. They listen to each other, and they don't take any grudges. They understand the process and do what's got to be done. That's about it.
Hey guys, we're taping off this black F-150 today to kind of reduce the buffer hitting this and leaving kind of any white marks. A lot of amateurs, they will buff it and they'll get the wax on there, get it jammed in all the cracks. So we try to avoid that and remove any of that from happening. So we just try to use the tape as like a way to prevent that. So make sure you always tape your car before you buff.
wheels are so dirty, I'm having to hit them with APC instead of O&R, and then I'm gonna metal polish them on top of that and get the residue off of them. Because if you don't, you'll leave a streaking with the metal polish, and what causes, it makes it look hazy. But you wanna take a dry towel after you hit it with the wet metal polish rag, and then you wanna wipe it off really good to make sure all that residual haze, whatever's left on the wheel, get off of there. APC is one of our all-purpose cleaners. We use it on the interiors, fender wheels, side steps, anything that we can really use it on besides the paint. The next step is metal polish. We use this on any type of polished aluminum, chrome, anything that has this type of shine to it. So we could use it on the side steps, we could use it on the Denali, we could use it on pretty much anything that has a chrome or polished aluminum on it. So it has a wax in it, which will make it bead, but also it'll leave that haze that I was talking about, which is, it doesn't look very pretty. On certain things where it starts to kind of pit, you kind of want to get it to where it has a little bit of friction on your microfiber. So kind of use your fingers in a fast motion to get this browning off of the polished aluminum. It'll make it look a lot nicer and like a finished product.
So, in this video so far, you guys have gotten to know Noah and Gerald a little bit deeper. Kind of wanted to focus this video a little bit less on me, more on the team. Man, I'll tell you, when I brought in Gerald after having Noah here for a while, it's like when you tell your kids they're having a sibling. I mean, it's, you know, you see a little bit of the jealousy of hey, this guy's not pulling his weight. It goes back and forth. And really, because I hire people that have minimal experience, it turns into a social experiment. You know, people learn in the environment that they know they can succeed in. And when you're training someone, you know, everybody has to jive really well together. Everybody has to mesh. You know, we have to joke around with each other. We have to have a good time in the shop. And those things come in time. You know, I'm an only child. I don't like to share my stuff. I'm included in this. You know, I had to warm up to Matt, and then me and Matt had to warm up to Noah. So really seeing the dynamic develop in the shop over time has been awesome. I mean, it went from, hey, you know, I don't know about this guy, to, hey, where's Gerald at? We need his help. You know, let's get him in the car. And Gerald, you know, same thing with Noah. And it's really cool to see that dynamic grow within the shop and kind of have us become our family. My birthday was yesterday, and everybody's like, hey, why didn't you spend it with your friends and family? I'm like, actually, I kind of did. Gerald is family through marriage, and these guys are my best friends. And I really wouldn't have it any other way. I really like the dynamic in the shop. Everything in here is just so much easier and more fun, just knowing that you come to work with your friends every day.
The whole reason I'm the interior specialist is because I love doing this. I love paying attention to detail on the interiors. It's my favorite thing to do here. And I basically start from the inside out, and I go from the door jambs to the doors, to the interior, to the seats, to the center console. Basically, I get everything that I can get inside that I can. If he has the glove box lock, obviously I'm not gonna mess with it or anything. I'm gonna just clean what I can. But I love doing this. This is how I do it. It's what I do.
I guess you could say my favorite thing about buffing is just seeing the absolute transformation on the car, just seeing the paint go from basically 0 to 100 real quick. Just very humbling experience to be able to just kind of do that to a car.
Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed this episode of Upscale Detailing. Thank you for liking, subscribing. Leave a comment down below and let us know how you feel about these videos. I know today was a little bit different, but I hope you guys enjoyed getting to know me and Noah a little bit better. I had a lot of fun making this vlog, and I'll see you guys in the next one.